let's review a slime I got from China. First impression, the packaging is so cute. It reminds me of the milk pouches you get in elementary school. It's a really thick putty slime, not stretchy at all. I kinda like it though. The only issue is that it smells like milk, in the worst way possible.
The slime looks kind of weird, so I'm trying to I don't know, does that look weird to you? Fluffy, right? Like some prints? I don't know. Okay. Here we go. Why is it so hard? Are you serious? Oh my god.
Training Olivia how to make Cupids Part 2.
Running away from it. Why am I shaking? Just mowing the lawn. Doing better than last time. Mm-hmm. Nice. That was so good. Oh. Oh my god, that was so good! Oh. Oh my goodness. I love these slimes. I'm so excited to show you guys. Yubaba's bathhouse is crunchy from all the spirit gunk, but at least it smells like a relaxing cucumber and aloe. Up next, we've got Howl's Heart. The Wicked Witch of the Waste is upset. I mean, look how beautiful it is. Make sure you handle it with care. Hanyoji is so cute. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels soft and gentle. I want to swim in it. Comes with 3 ounces of sand. Sophie's flower field is my favorite place. It's truly magical and the perfect place to unwind with lavender and rose scents all over. Totoro's Fuzzies is so soft and sizzly, I just want to play with him all day. Comes with the cutest charms.
New rejected themed slimes drop tomorrow.
Gasoline! A gel clear slime that literally smells like gasoline. Warning, this restock is not for people with sensitive noses.
Fresh cut grass. A jelly bingsu slime that's packed with beads. It inflates so much. And it smells like grass. Yum.
Vapor Bomb. A super soft and sizzly icy slime. Really good for squishing. It really does smell like the real thing. We made the scent strong on purpose.
Mashed potatoes. Our first cloud dough. It's so soft, dense, and squishy. And it smells like salty, buttery mashed potatoes.
Disclaimer, these slimes are for the people who love weird and unconventional scents. We don't recommend these if you are super sensitive to smells.
When your best sellers are rejects, breast implant, clear slime, and silly idea, let's collab Dr. Miami. Soil mix. Looks and smells like real dirt, but crunchy. Salad. If you know, you know. People didn't get the inside joke. Bunny poop. The end result looked a little suspect. Oregano. Looks and smells a little too real. Dry or lit. Gross in real life but cool as a slime.
You could have just recorded some videos before you left like use your brain.
Thank you so much for your feedback, Jared Leto. Why didn't I think of that? JK, we actually make our batches 2 to 3 weeks in advance so they don't melt by our restock day. A lot of textures take a while to clear up completely. Plus, a lot of people are enjoying these training vids. And I did pre-film some. New Spucks themed slimes dropped today.
Java Chip Wrap, a sand slime with an icy whipped cream. Has a little fallout, but listen to the texture. Worth it!
Dragon Fruit Refresher. Doesn't it look so drinkable? Disclaimer, this is slime, not food. Someone please make edible slime a thing.
Birthday cake pop. This one is for all the people who like pokey slimes. And breaking things. You're welcome.
Strawberry ACA Eye Refresher. A slightly jiggly gel clear. The scent of this slime literally makes my mouth water.
Iced coffee. This one is for all the people who like black coffee scents and pokey slimes.
Quick question, coffee or tea?